So this tub drain's not draining good. We already cleared the main sewer lines, now we're gonna clear this tub. But first I wanna get out this lift and turn drain. So you'll notice it spins it'll just spin and spin and spin. But if you put it like partially down and then take your channel locks on it while it's partially down, it will allow you to screw it out. Now this one wants to be difficult. I got it, finally. This one wants to be difficulty, sorry. I thought I had something going there. Oh, can you see that? Oof. Yeah. So that is her problem. Of course, we already knew that, but some people watching might not have knew that. Oh man, this is nice. I'm gonna add this to my collection. I have a collection of this stuff I've been saving since 1983. But that's neither here nor there. Anyway, remember to put this in the collection book here. I don't know how hard I was gonna go with that joke. I think this, we're getting there. Anyway, so this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna use one of those pliers and you're gonna pull the stuff all out like this. I'm getting, sometimes you can't get everything, but I'm OCD, so we're gonna see if we can, but I don't know. Oh wait, ooh, we're getting close now. Okay, it's looking kind of good now. But I'm gonna let you guys see this in a second. If you want to check it out, can you see it now? Looks a lot better, huh?
A lot better.
Hold on 1 second. Weird. Why do we go to people's houses and they don't use toilet paper? Yeah, check it out. I'm thinking we're looking freaking good now, folks.
Yeah.
Even better, can you check it out? Yeah?
Oh yeah, looking
Yeah,
good.
oh gosh, sorry, I didn't mean to get your phone wet. Alright, it's everything good. And then, so, the putting it back in is harder sometimes. So you get them in here lined up and you just kind of gently hold them in place and just kind of carefully spin them to get them to lock in. Let me see. Nope, it didn't work. This part can be annoying. It may take a second hand because I'm like leaning over. We're gonna get it. I think I got it. Let's see. Yep. So now, once you get it to lock like this, you're just gonna put it again just halfway down, but instead of loosening now, you're just gonna tighten it. We're gonna tighten. I'm just gonna hand tighten it because I know everybody is gonna complain about me using these on here. I assure you, no one is ever going to know except all of you. Okay, so don't worry about it. It's fine. We're good to go. I'm thinking it's gonna drain a lot better now. I didn't mean to point at you guys, I'm sorry. Not gonna point, right?